Would you cut your hair for a job? Jaden Smith been growing his locks for what, 4 years now? And he don't cut them. Well, he didn't cut them. His daddy cut them. Will said and then put him on top of his head like he wearing a little hat looking like the straw, like the, what's the word, like the scarecrow from The Wiz. So there's that. He cut his hair for the movie, which I get, you know, he an actor, I guess he an artist, so he guess he do that, whatever. But yeah, he's making a movie called Life in a Year with Cara Delevingne, or Cara Delevingne, I don't know how you say her name. But yeah, and it just got me thinking, because I've been growing my hair out for about 4.5 years. I've had locks for 3 years and 9 months and a few days now. And it got me thinking, if I were applying for a job, or if I want to like do something, and like one of the stipulations was, we want you, but you need to cut your hair. Well, actually, with that, I guess one of the things too is that where is that coming from? Like with Jaden Smith's situation, right? He is an actor and musician, and so with his stuff, with his projects, obviously there's maybe a certain way they want the person to look. Maybe like when he did what's it called? The Get Down Afro. But I mean, that's a wig. You can do a wig, but you can't do a bald fade wig with locks. That just ain't gonna work. Your hair gonna look real big. And so I'm just thinking, like, how would that work? What would you do? Like, if for me, I'm posing this question to y'all out there, but I'm posing this question to myself because I'm just trying to think about it. Like, if I, like, say I were, like, I would say that I, like, would casually like acting. And if I were to live in a big city, and I did like an audition, right? And I got to the call back, and they said, yes, we want you for the project, but you need to cut your locks. I'm trying to think, would I do that? And I guess it would depend how much money we're talking, right? Because Jada Smith's instance, his dad's the producer of the movie, so obviously he's getting paid, like he's getting taken care of, like that's not an issue. Me, on the other hand, I'm just a regular person. What would it be like? What would the benefit be? Like right now, like if is it double of what I'm making now? If it's double of what I'm making now, then probably yeah, I will cut my locks. You know what? I would do you one better. Not only would I cut my locks for this job, but I would be smart about it too, because what you can do is you can do lock reattachment. So I actually would be okay with that. And let's just say that I didn't want to do lock reattachment. I wanted to just get rid of them. I wouldn't get rid of them. What I would do is I would sell them to someone who wanted, 13.5-inch locks that are already dyed. The roots are grown out, so if you got black hair, it's gonna blend right on in. And, make a little bit of coin off of the hair and make a lot more coin at that new job. So, yeah, okay, so would I cut my hair for the job? If it was based in artistic direction, yes. Now, the other side of that, would I cut my hair for a job that was being either overtly or covertly, like, discriminatory because of my hair? Probably not. I would probably be the petty person. I know that they had that whole Supreme Court ruling that it's not discrimination and blah, 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 because hair is hair and what have you. Although, that's a whole different discussion. But I don't know. Like, I haven't been in a position yet to where I've had to literally say, am I going to cut my hair for a job? I think it doesn't matter, but that's my own personal opinion. Some people don't feel it that way. And that's what it is. I'm not going to say it's fine because it's not. But what I will say is that if it was a job where they were like, well, we have to maintain an image, and I'm like, you mean this right here? This does not help your image or your company or whatever it is? Like, this don't help? I'm confused. Like where? Like houseway? I'm confused. If it was those type of reasons, like if they were trying to be superficial about it, then I would be like, nah, it's okay. I'll go somewhere else. I say that now, and someone might say in the comments, like, you say that now, but watch, you gonna get offered some job and you're gonna take that money. You ain't gonna deny no coin. And I don't know, that might be right. I'm not sure. I have been lucky enough to work at places that have not been, what's the word? That garage door. Every day. Every day. I have been lucky enough to work at jobs where my hair has not been an issue. I work at a church as a music minister, a Catholic church nonetheless. One of the most like conservative religions that, okay, again, another conversation. And I also work at a school as a drumline instructor. So, you know, I do that. And then I also work at a clothing store. And I mean, hey, it's pretty cool. My hair gets many compliments there. So I don't see where I would be in the position to where I would be applying for a job. I also probably wouldn't be applying for a job where if they have such a closed mind on people's expression through their hair and how that like rubs off on their company or their image of their company, if that's going to be an issue. I probably wouldn't be applying there anyway. So that's just my own little thing. So yeah, I just thought about that today. Just want to shoot this quick vlog to kind of ask you guys the same question. Like the question would be, would you cut your hair for a job? And then if you wouldn't, why? Or would you try and fight it? You know, would you try to educate that person? Like if they're like, we want you to work for us, but your hair, and I'm like, okay, I have these like credentials, I have this experience, and I just happen to have this hair. So I mean, so there's that question. And then also, if you did, like what jobs would you cut your hair for? And would you sell your hair? Would you sell your locks? Would you sell your locks for some money? I mean, who was it? Wiz Khalifa? I don't know who it was. There was a rapper. I don't really keep up with all that stuff, but there was a rapper, I think it was him, who bought someone's locks for $4,000 and then had them attached to his hair. So I mean, if rappers trying to shell out $4,000, then I will definitely get on that train. I'm just saying, it makes a little extra money, pay off that credit card debt. Help me out at least. But anyway, that's the end of this little video. That's all I was just saying. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to this channel, do that then. Click on that subscribe button. Even click on that little bell notification so you will know when I post videos, and it'll go straight to your little phone. You'll get a little notification like, do. Justin posted another video. You can watch that now. So you can do that. If you have any comments, again, answer the question in the comment section below. What would you do with this situation? Would you cut off your locks for a job? Would you cut off your locks? Would you cut off your locks for a job? Would you do it? I'm asking you. I want to know. It's been on my mind. Also, sidebar, I also have been considering, this is not something set in stone, about cutting my locks either at my 4-year anniversary, which is 3 months from now, or at my 5-year. I feel like 5-year would probably make more sense because it's more monumental, I think, like the whole 5. Although 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I mean, we only count to 4 anyway, so that makes sense too. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And check out my last video up there. Check out a playlist right there with more videos on dreadlocks and grooming and just stuff about hair and whatnot. And also click on the subscribe icon right there to subscribe to this channel, and I will see y'all when I see y'all. Thank you for watching. Keep it locked and peace.